Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the crude price has moved in the last year and how the crude price can move in the next year, that is 2022. Okay, if you look at the chart, what you can see that the crude price since August of 2021 we have seen the sharp rise. We have seen a sharp rise there. Okay, after this particular zone of 85 making a high of 85, it has come down and fall at a level of 64.54, and from there now it is at a level of 76.95. okay, now look at the chart. Okay, if you look at the chart, it's currently moving at around 77.09. just now it has 76.96. okay, so now if this price sustain, what see at one of the point we have seen that it was moving in this particular zone. Once this zone break downside, we have seen it had made a low of around 66.19. okay, after that it is continuously rising. okay, it is in the month of December, starting December it was in this particular zone, and it was in the zone of around 70 to low of around 62. okay, and from there we have seen it has, after breaking this particular zone, it has moved upside. okay, now if we look at the chart from June 2021, we have seen that it has made a rise from at a level of 66, made a high of around 76. From there we have seen 76 is a 7-year high. You can check it, it's a 7-year high. From there we have seen a huge profit booking has come. I have already told you in my previous video that if the price, there is a buying opportunity was there since 64. I have said there is a buying opportunities, and 77 we can see there can be a fall because profit booking can come at this particular zone. You can go and check my previous videos. Before that, if you have any doubt regarding crude position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. And please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in crude is working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. Now look at the chart. Chart is very important, understanding the pattern it will follow into 2022. okay, fundamental can be wrong but chart can never be wrong. okay, it will show you where the price is moving. okay, see, now look at the chart. If we look at from mid of September, end of August and starting of September, that after making a particular low of 61.88, it has moved and directly made a high of around 85.40, and this is from August to October. In just 2 months we have seen a sharp rise. okay, if you look at other commodities also, we have seen there is a rise in there in this particular zone. okay, suppose what we can see in 2020, suppose if the price sustain above this level, because this was the particular zone, and after this particular zone had break upside, we have seen it has moved and made a high of around 77.31, and now it is trading at around 76.93. suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 77.46, and if it sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further high to a level of 78.75. okay, and from there we can see it can go further upside to a level of 79.43, because this is what it is trying to move. It is trying to move in a zone, and after this and then or downside it try to move in a volatile way. okay, so once it reaches at a level of above a 77 and touch, and if it stays above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 79.28 also. And suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further high to a level of 80.41, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 81.70. okay, and then we can see there is a rise in this particular zone also, and then we can see it can go further high to a level of 82.3, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further high to a level of 83.67. suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further upside to a level of 84.67, and this level is 84.67 is already tested here, so chances will be very high. We can see a level of 85.48 very soon if the price sustain above 82. okay, if I show you a chart of 5 years, then you can see yes, there is a rise. We can see there is two green candle forming. So if in a long run we can see the price of crude can go further higher. Till the time we didn't see a swing. See, if we look at the swing in this particular zone, it is here and here. Okay, three swing we have seen. Okay, but price is continuously moving upside. So what we can see, if the price goes above this level, see, if you look at the first swing, this particular swing, it has moved upside. Second swing, it has moved upside. Okay, and the third swing is around 85. First swing was coming at around 68.2629, second is coming at 77.49, and the third is coming at around 85.50. and from 8th March, it is in the July, March, April, May, June, July, 4 months, in the gap of 4 months. If you look at this chart also, July, August, September, October, in the month of October, in the end of October, we have seen it is also around 4 months. So what we can see, that from December to in the month of Feb, we can see the price can rise and can come down to 90 also. This is what we can see looking at the back testing thing. Okay, so now, and we have seen that two green candle has already formed. So if there is a pattern forming like this, then we can see it can go further upside. Okay, suppose if the price sustain above a level of 85.50, then we can see it can go further upside, because we have not seen the price coming above 85 in this particular years. So now if we look at the chart of in the month of 2010 or 2013, then only we have seen that the price has gone above this level. Suppose if it sustain this level, then chances will be very high. We can see it can go further upside to a level of 90.78, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further high to a level of 92.88. Suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further high to a level of 97.09. If it sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further upside to a level of 103.40. okay, and this is what we can see in this particular zone in the crude oil. So once this level is crossed upside 85, then we can see it will come in this particular zone. Okay, so what we can see, if it goes above a level of 97, then we can see a level of 100.60, and from there we can see it can go further high to a level of 106.20, or it can go further high. Okay, suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see all these levels are tested here. So we can see it can go and touch a level of 113.61 very soon if the price sustain above a level of 100. But suppose this is, I'm talking about 2010 to 13, we have seen in this particular zone only. Okay, the biggest movement we have seen is coming in 2008 movement, where we have seen a recession has come in this particular zone. Okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, okay, then what we can see, if we look at the chart for a year wise, we can see if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can go further low to a level of 75.48, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 73.20. okay, and suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can go further low to a level of 70.63, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 68.37. okay, and once 68.37 is touched, then we can see a downfall can happen and can touch a level of 66.11, and these levels are already tested here. So we can see it can go further low to a level of 62 also. Okay, and if you look at the chart 62, keep this in mind, if it goes below 64, then chances of touching 62 is high, and from there we can see, and this level is already tested here, so chances are very high it can go and touch a level of 60.57, and if it goes below this level, then we can see it can go further low to a level of 58.31. okay, and suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can go further low to a level of 57.07, and from there we can see it can go touch a level of 53.99. suppose if the price once goes below this level, a level of 57, then we can see it can go further low to a level of 53.38, and from there we can see it can go further low to a level of 49.27. but as of now I can see from March of 21 it is moving continuously upside. If it goes below a level of 57, then only we can see it can go further low to a level of 53 also. Okay, and if it goes below this level, then we can see it can go low to a level of 49, and once 49 cross downside, then we can see a level of 46.39 also. Okay, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see a level of 43.52 also, and if it goes below this level, then we can see a level of 41.26. okay, and if the price didn't sustain this level, then only we can see it can go in this particular zone, and if it goes below this level, then we can see if it comes to a level of 38, then only we can see a level of 36.42, and then it will go further low to a level of 32.71. but as of now what I can see, it will be up in a particular zone of 100 to 50, and it can go further high if it sustain this level. Any doubt you can mail me. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel please subscribe it.